These parts may affect the safety and comfort of your car. The more expensive the car, the more high-end. The 100,000 plus level is usually this kind of ordinary. The more expensive cars have hydraulic or electronic control. This is the engine mount. This video will show you how the engine is connected to the body. Ordinary ones are usually made of rubber. It's used to absorb the vibrations generated by the engine. Tightening the mounts is a critical process. That's why an EC spanner is used. There's also a bolt on the side. This is a new addition to the MQB platform. Those who have studied mechanical design should know this design provides a stabilizing effect. Higher-end cars have hydraulic or electric controls. The anti-vibration suspension is connected to the engine. The other end of the engine is connected to the gearbox. This is the automatic bonding station for the chassis supply section. After bonding, we start connecting the bolts from the engine to the suspension. A normal electric gun is used to warm them. The final operation, near the EC spanner. Because of the high torque value, a robot arm was installed. There are only 2 bolts for engine screwing. Why is there an EC spanner? Any fans in the comments section know?